Hello and welcome. If this is your first time visiting, I'm really happy that you had a chance to stop by and see what I'm doing on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different that I haven't done before, and that is sharing one of my digital planners that I've made in GoodNotes. So I'm hoping you'll like it. It's actually got well over 100 pages, and I've tried to format it as user-friendly as possible. So I'm just going to take you through a quick walkthrough of what some of the features are of the planner. Hang tight, and here we go. Okay, so let's take a first look. So I've opened this in GoodNotes, as you can see, if you have the GoodNotes app, but it will work in other apps too, because it is a PDF document, so you can even open it in a PDF. So here we have the front cover, and from here, basically, you can just scroll over, and it takes you to the quick links page. So this is just a quick way to get to where you need to go. I felt sometimes it's hard to navigate which tabs take you where, so this is kind of a quick way to get to where you want to go. So as you can see, we have all of the months, and then we have the weeks of every month, and this is an any date, any year calendar. So that means you can use this year over year and just reformat your months and your days, and you will be good to go. So we've also got, so other than the calendars, we do have the gratitude pages, a place to house your digital stickers. For example, maybe the dates for each of the weeks, and up some pages for some journal pages, finance and budget tracking, habit trackers, place to house your goals, place your lists. For example, I use lists quite often for camping, travel lists, etc. And then you can actually add some additional pages into this template. So I have put also quick links along the top on the tabs and then on the sides, and then you can actually just go through next or go back to the cover page, go to the back cover, your blank pages, stickers, gratitude. So I have tried to house everything fairly simply for all users. Okay, so once you click on January, you'll see that it'll open up the beginning of every month. It will open up to an overview page for the month where you can put in your dates for that month. So for example, for this year, we might want to add some, so let me just see what we've got here. Okay, so I've got under the date stickers, you can look under elements and, for example, bring that in, and that will go right like that, and you just do that, and you can make it simply for each month. And then on top of that, each week now, so for week 1, we'll go to, my pen is not working very well. So for week 1, and here is your daily calendar where you can add your events and your dates as well, and any additional notes. Week 2, week 3, week 4, and for some months where there's a week 5. And that goes for all. And each month is individually designed, so you'll see that they look a little bit different for every month. Try to reflect some of the beauty of each month. And then after that, if you want to use your journal, for example, to be an actual journal, we've got some dotted pages here, and you've got them right now listed as which days. Now you can obviously change the tab names if you so choose, or you can just put in your date at the top of each page. And so to add a page, let's say you get to your 10th journal page and you want to add, you can do add page to outline, and then you can actually add an additional page. And then from there, let's say you want to also capture some ideas around your gratitude journal. You can put those in there, and here you've got some pre-populated pages, and you can add those as you see fit. And then here's where you would house your stickers if you want. So if you've got some that you use regularly, for example, maybe you want your calendar dates to be in one location where you can just cut and copy the whole thing and put it in there. You can go ahead and do that. And then we do also have here finance. See, my pen is just not working. The finance page, and here we've got your income, your savings, your debt, your bills, and some monthly tracking for each quarter. So we've got, sorry, not quarter. It's actually broken down by thirds. So January to April, May to August, and then September to December, like this. And then we've got our trackers. So here's some habit trackers for you in case there are things, drinking water, for example, exercising, or maybe it's something altogether different. This is where you can track your habit, put in what your habit is, and then do your tracking right here. Here's a place for your goals. You've got a couple of pages for that. Maybe it's also, it could be if you want to create a vision board or something like that, you can put that on here. And here is the place to put your list. So you've got a few different pages, and again, you would just title what your list is for. I have done that on my journal and used it significantly for different reasons. So that's kind of the overview of it. You can always take yourself back home. And then again, if you want to go to your quick links, if you want to see the back cover, this is what it looks like. Again, thank you for stopping by. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate. Reach out. We would love to interact. Leave a comment if you think this is something you might enjoy. This is available on my Etsy store for download. It's fairly reasonable price, couple bucks, and you can have this year over year. All of it's designed for you, easily imported into whatever journal app or writing app that you can use a PDF in. It will work great on your iPads, your tablets. If you do like what you saw today, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a comment, like my video, share my video, and please subscribe. Yes, everybody asks viewers to subscribe to their channel. This helps me to build and grow my channel, and right now I'm at a very low number, and I would just love any support that I can get. So appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you'll come back and see some other of the things that I've been working on. So take good care. See you soon. Bye-bye.